I thought I'd seen everything.
You ain't seen that. This thing looks like a millipede.
Yeah, it does.
Daai speeltjies van hom.
Ja.
Lekker, lekker, lekker.
No plate on the back. Watch.
And he saw them and he wanted to pull and then he...
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Using sophisticated ANPR technology, supported by an in-house development team, coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, snipr continues to break the mold and set the benchmark in vehicle recovery, ultimately making our community safer every day. Our process is as follows. Camera. All number plates that pass sniprs' cameras are recorded and cross-referenced with numerous national databases. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert in real time with our 24-hour validation center. Lights. The alert comes through on our live feed and is validated by one of our dedicated dispatchers. A map showing the vehicle's estimated travel distance is generated. Our dispatcher leaves feedback on the snipr system and contacts the necessary role players. Action. If a vehicle is confirmed as positive, a recovery is actioned. The nearest responder receives the information and moves to intercept the vehicle. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended.
snipr essentially has got three components to it. We're about identifying vehicles through their license plate numbers. We're about verifying that vehicle, making sure that it is still positive and sought after. And then thirdly, we're about notifying, getting the information out to the relevant authorities.
Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the snipr team for more information.